Today's video we're going to be talking about solar energy. Solar energy is the energy produced by the sun. So solar energy is captured by solar panels, which will look something similar like this. So let's see how is solar panels capturing the sun's energy. So what happens is the sun is sending energy to the earth. This energy is also known as heat energy or light energy. With this, we're able to see, feel heat, and also let plants photosynthesize. So now let's get into the question: how are solar panels working? So solar panels work when the sun, when it hits the solar panel. What happens is that this direct hit is called direct DC, also known as direct current. This direct current is later split into photons. These photons are captured by the electrons, which then run through an external circuit. And this external circuit which can then light up like a light bulb. Now, when we get this direct current, it goes to the grid, and the grid changes it from direct current or DC to AC, alternative current. Any extra direct current goes to the national grid. So the alternative current is what charges up our phones, computers, etc. Let's say that today was like a cloudy day and you couldn't get as much solar energy. So what happens is that you would take the direct current from the national grid and take it back to your grid, which would then turn into alternative current as a way for you to get energy again. Let's talk about some advantages of solar energy. Solar energy advantages are that it's a renewable source. So unlike oil, coal, or fossil fuels, this one is actually a renewable source and can keep on happening for billions of years. Also, solar panels don't take up that much space. It's also very cheap, and also it can easily distribute the energy to millions of people. Let's now move on to our disadvantages. Now we have to look at three perspectives. The first one is political perspective. Now if you look at political perspective, some businesses like oil industries or coal industries use these oil or coal so that they can make profit out of it. If they don't make profit, then some countries like Saudi Arabia or Iran or Iraq, who are dependent on oil to keep their economies afloat, if they only use solar energy, then the countries would probably go into very much debt. Next, let's look at some physical perspectives. Not all solar panels are actually efficient. The most efficient solar panel can only absorb 46% of the light, while commercial solar panels can only absorb 15 to 20% of the light. Now let's look at our last perspective, logistical perspective. In the logistical perspective, it's obvious and we can say that some areas are not as sunny as others. So for us to distribute the energy from the solar panels, which are in the sunny areas, we would need to efficiently distribute the energy to solar panels in cloudy ones, so that we can distribute all the energy evenly towards the homes. We have this demonstration right here. There's a solar panel, a model, and wheels. So basically what we're doing is that if we shine this in the sun, what happens is that the motor will turn the direct current to alternating current, which could then make this car run. So let's go out in the sun and try it. Alright, so I got my trusted partner over here. We're going to have this demonstration. So this is the solar panel over here. So the light is going to fall on the solar panel and it's going to activate the motor, which will then activate the wheels to start running. So this is kind of like a car, all right? Mm-hmm. Solar paneled car. So let's do it. Let's put it under the sun. All right, we have it here.
That's not under the sun.
What? You can see over here, the wheels are spinning
because of the solar panel.
Yeah, so let's put it under. All right, as you can see, it's moving.
John Cena just got it. No.
So yeah, pretty much working like that.
And also they're ruining the ants.
Alright, now it's in the shade, kids. So this is our demo over here, and this is how solar energy works.